Hello, 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 beautiful, wonderful people. It is your girl Simone Nicole here, back at it again with yet another video. And in today's video, we are going to be taking down these very old twists. I'm going to let you guys just relax and hang out with me, and I'm going to go. I hope you enjoy the video.
We've been talking everything out, yeah. You've been calling for the night out. High go competition, no need complications, right? Yeah, so we ain't gotta tell your girl now. You can meet me on our way out. We're making plans for the future. Better let her know that she don't suit ya. 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. What? Yes, I've been thinking about you. 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 What? Yes, I've been thinking about you. I know we said that this ain't serious, serious, but I can tell in your eyes that you've grown curious, curious. Yeah, love you on the download, don't want this thing to end though. No one's gonna know about a thing, so tell me, are you ready? Yeah. 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. What? Yes, I've been thinking about you. 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 What? Yes, I've been thinking about you.
It's something about you that's so familiar, something that's got me wanting to know you. And I can't put my finger on it, but it feels like I've been here before. It's something about me that makes me wonder. I swear I met you, but you're a stranger, and I can't put my finger on quite what it is. Oh, but I've been here before. Maybe it was me who brought you here. I should run the other way, but I stay right here, and I'll be a fool for you. I know myself, but I've been dead. I've even knocked back again. Now I'm a fool for you. I love you time and time again. I know just how the story ends. Oh, you remind me of someone I once knew. Maybe I'm crazy, but it's hard to ignore you, and I can't wrap my head around it, but it feels like I loved you before. Maybe it was me who brought you here. I should run the other way, but I stay right here. I'll be a fool for you. I know myself, but I've been dead. I've even knocked back again. Now I'm a fool for you. I love you time and time again. I know just how the story ends. Say, you know that I will be that fool for you. And I'll be a fool. I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you.
Okay, everyone, and that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me take down my little hair when it was in those twists for a very long time. If you would like to see my first wash day after taking down those twists, I will also be linking that video. It'll probably be like sliding across the screen on either side of me. Before I go, of course, we have to do our subscriber shout out of the day. Today's subscriber shout out is going to go to Joe Green. They commented on my updated natural hair favorites that I filmed back in 2020 that I will honestly be doing another updated natural hair favorites, I promise. Joe said, "Hi, this is the third video that you've made that I have watched. I like your style and videos, so I've subscribed. Thank you." No, thank you, Joe. Thank you so much for coming to my channel to spend some time with me. And if you would like to be my next subscriber shout out of the day, then all you have to do is 1, be subscribed, and 2, comment down below, say something nice, say something sweet to your girl, and maybe you can be my next subscriber shout out of the day. And with all that being said, remember to keep positivity in your life, because positivity breeds positivity, and we have absolutely no time for negativity in 2021. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Why did I put that hand up like that? In my next video. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.